Yo guys, welcome to my channel. This is my first ever channel. Well, not really my first channel, but this is my first video on this channel. So since you guys are new, I'd like to say please hit the notification bell, which subscribe me, and smash that like button, and comment down below what you think I should do next for gaming. And also I have a friend called Danica. She has a YouTube channel, so here it is. And if you guys don't know my Instagram, I'm only going to show my Instagram. I'm not going to show my Snapchat or anything, just my Instagram. So my Insta is basically, oh, here's my Insta. I think I changed it. I forgot. I think it's that. Yeah, because my old one used to be Savage something. My old one's Savage. Wait. That's not old. But don't worry, don't go to Savage one. Anyways, so let's get on to the thing. Because I haven't gone on my stuff in a long time. And trust me, I think I lost my Judge because my Judge, I think I bought it for like 3. It was like 1 year, but then I bought it 3 times. So basically I had a Judge for 3 years. So let's get started with the Let's Talk. Well guys, since I haven't played this game, it has me to do this. So okay. Let's just do what they're doing. Pixie still look old, but the saggy thing is still the same. Ugly face. Alright, this is so slow, guys. I will be back. And by the way, my username is Baby Ash. And I'm not going to tell you my password. My password is. And yeah, so I'm just gonna wait till this loads. So be right back. It says remember to stay safe and never share your password with anyone or you say okay, whatever. Australia. Sorry, this was there for ages. Okay. Oh my god, I have to do it again. Guys, I'll be back because this is really... Guys, while we're waiting for that... Seriously. Okay, whatever. We're gonna go and we're just gonna look at Danica's channel because I'll tell you which one to click on. So, I don't know what it says. Let's go to Danica's channel. Okay. There it is. This is where it says chill. Not the other one. So this one is one of my funny ones, so I'm just going to show you this one. I think. Okay. Ew.
Is your sister kind of mean? Does she always make you clean? Does she scare away the boys? Does she make you do her chores? Does she think she is hot, but she really is a thought? Is your sister kind of mean?
Okay. Okay. She is really freaking cute. Okay, finally. Does it show the password? No. Okay, my password not like ABC123 or Hey123 or whatever. It's something else. Yeah, go ahead and try, but it's not that. Jesus, I wonder what happened to everything. My password has a 9 in it. That's what I'm going to tell you. Now it's not 809. Try it. Just try it. See, I lost my Judge. Here is a present for you. Happy birthday. Yeah, I'm like 2. Oh, I'm not happy. Bored, Fortnite, World Slash Fortnite symbol, but dark side has been shown. Okay, my friends. Okay, I still got that much coins. I guess I'm not sure what is really there. She's still there. I don't know, anything hasn't changed. 13 messages. Like, I've been stupid on messages, so yeah. Guys, sorry, what the hell? Hi, sorry. When were you born? Okay, guys, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. And I said hi. Sorry. Alright, okay, hello. Yay, first time on my video. Hey, go on the phone. Okay. Hello. Okay, guys, I'm gonna do a prank lyrics. So potato head. I forgot how to spell it. So potato head lyrics. I don't know if she knows that song. If you're born with it. I'm gonna Control C. If you weren't born with it. If you weren't born with it, you were born with the control. You may be a couple of Okay, she's not responding. Let's do Betty Hope. If you want bold with it. Let's just play the song anyways. Did she respond? No one's responding to me, how sad.
You are a magnificent beast.
Hi, I'm Jamie.
I guess you want my number?
Wow, yeah.
No, I don't want it.
If you weren't born with it, you can buy a couple ornaments.
Okay, that's it. Okay. Alright. Go. Bye, guys. So, anyways, before I say bye, guys, thank you so much for watching. And if you guys are new to my, I think I said that, yeah. Thanks for watching. Please add me on Instagram. And I'll put the description in the description box. I'll put Tamica's name below. Yeah. So, peace out. Love you guys so much.